fishing all day. They've been catching big ones. I hope it's a big one. I got a big bait on here, y'all. Got a big old bait on here. He stopped it. Hope it's a big one. They been catching little ones too. I got a big bait on here. I'm trying to see if he gonna eat it. Got a Berkeley Gulp 4-inch white with a 3/8 ounce bucktail jig. I missed him earlier. I think he hit it this time. He on there. Look at my tip, folks. That means you can have a flounder on. He's holding that bottom. I'm gonna try to pull him up a little to make him move. Oh, he might not be that big. See, he on there. See my tip going back down? I caught a lot of big ones right here. I'm trying to get that 26. I don't know how big this is. He could be a little, or he could be a damn crab. He's a little one. See? See, folks?
Yeah, look around, see what blank you like, you know? Either that, this could be a blank, I'll tell you what guy is good for it.
Oh, okay.
If you like it light, always go with those small guys like that. Those are called micro guys. The way that's set up, that's beautiful. That's nice right there.
Oh, okay.
Got it?
Yeah, he got it, but I don't know how big he is. There might be another little one.
All day.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Thanks.